Hi guys, I am Preeti and you're watching this video on it's a love reading, and we are going to see where are we going to go from here. Okay, so definitely this reading says that you have to be in love with somebody, you have to have a partner, whether committed or non-committed, or you are married. So yes, it is important that you have a partner and you are in love with somebody, you are in relationship with somebody. That is important. And yeah, so it can be a relationship, and we are going to see in this reading where you guys are going to go from here. Okay, so maybe your relationship might be very very good, maybe your relationship might be not good, maybe your relationship might be just about to end, or you are just giving it a thought whether you want to proceed, you want your relationship to go ahead in future or not. Okay, so it can be just anything. It can be like you are brewing with love, both of you are just like overflowing with love, and you just want to see where this relationship is going to go from here. Okay, so we have all the possible options over here about love life. So if I miss out on certain options, then yeah, that option is also included in this, especially if it's regarding love life. Okay, so we are going to see where you guys are going to head from here, and it's going to be a love reading. So I have 4 different options. How do you select from these 4 options? I will be placing all the 4 options in just a little while, so that you can have a good look at all the options and select one option which pulls your attention. Okay, so try to do that, and I will be placing the picture right now. So by now I feel that you might have already selected the picture. So just in case if you have chosen this option, then let's go ahead and see what the cards have to say. Okay, this is a love reading, and where you guys are going to go from here. So first of all, this card, it's the first card and it's the Lovers card, which is actually a very good sign to have in this reading, and it shows that your relationship is a very nice, warm and committed one. And yeah, so both the people are emotionally invested in the relationship, and both the people are looking forward to the relationship. Okay, the next part is, I feel your partner, either you or your partner, are deciding to move the office or get transferred to a different location. Maybe both of you are trying to do this, or maybe one of the partner might actually have to go abroad or go to a different place and for their work. And yeah, so this might be on an idea, or this might be something that you might have already worked out. But yes, this is one of the idea that you have. There is one more idea, is where both of you go together. Okay, so this is one more thing, that both of you go together, and maybe this is what is coming up. This is what is where you are going to go from here. Maybe both of you might move ahead and go to settle in a different place, or one of the partner might need to go to a different place and work there, because yeah, that's what their work is calling out. I feel that rather than just one person shifting, you might want that both of you actually shift to that place, so that your relationship is also, you guys are close enough and you actually have a good relationship. Okay, okay, the next thing is, love yourself first. This is the romance oracle. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. Okay, so somehow it also shows that you need to love yourself first, and this card shows about let go of control issues. So it does show that you may have some control issues and letting go somebody. It might be something, yeah, as I said here, that your partner might need to transfer themselves for work or something else, and in that it shows that you don't want to let go, or you want to shift or transfer, and your partner does not want to let go. Okay, so that does show that. Also on a very, if I'm, I don't like to say this thing, but yes, because this is coming here, I'd like to say this, because there is this control card here. I do feel that you may have a very good love romantic relationship, but maybe one of the partner is very controlling and the other one just wants to get off the relationship because they don't like all of this controlling, so they want to break off and go away. Okay, so that is also possible. And so in that case, if it is you who is controlling and you don't want to let go of your partner, you want to keep that relationship, then you will have to convince your partner that you will not be controlling them anymore. Or if it is your partner who is controlling, try to ask your partner, try to get a commitment from them that they won't be controlling you. Okay, so yes, so that is there. And love yourself first. At times anybody who is controlling, either you are controlling or your partner is controlling, whomsoever is controlling, that person actually does not love themselves. Anybody who doesn't love themselves, they will always feel devoid of love. They will always feel that they are they are actually starving of love, and which is why they feel that they cannot let go of somebody because that will hurt them so much. They will be devoid of love. So this is where the solution goes, that you need to love yourself first. It can be either you or your partner. And the second part is, where are you guys going to go from here? Okay, so it can be that you can actually look forward to the relationship. Okay, this means that you may not break up, but yes, somehow it does show some certain things where you are not even uniting. And there are certain things, maybe you are keeping some secrets from your partner, or your partner is keeping some secrets from you, and maybe the partner knows it, maybe the partner is smelling it, that you are trying to hide something from them, or maybe you are smelling that when your partner is trying to hide from you, which is not usually acceptable. Because as I said that when people are committed, they usually try to be transparent towards each other. But just because I said that there are control issues, either of the partner might be controlling, and because of that reason the other partner might be keeping things hidden from them, just because they don't want any extreme reactions. Okay, the next thing is open to miracles. When your hands, your mind and your heart are completely open, this is when magic begins to happen. Drop all presumptions and be open to miracles. Okay, so yeah, I do feel that just because we have these control issues here, we have these things where both of you are it does feel that both of your relationship is falling apart. At times it also feels that everything is great, you don't need to break off the relationship. When it is in all of these uncertain times, there is this guidance that is coming from the universe. It says that you need to open yourself to the miracles. So in order that you want your relationship to be like a miraculous one, you want it to be a miracle, you need to open your mind, heart, and you need to open your hands. You need to just embrace what you are getting. Okay, so yeah, so that this is for both the people, not just one person. The next part is a tree in winter. A tree in winter may look okay, so this is the same thing. You can see that life reflects this miraculous cyclical process. Be patient, trust and love. So as I said, see, at times the life is feeling that other person is controlling, or you feel that you're too much possessive about that person, and you might feel helpless when you just try to be overly controlling about them. Okay, and when they just try to go away from you, you are just pathetic, or you feel the same when you are trying to go to some distant or travel somewhere alone. This is where you feel that your partner might behave in a pathetic manner. So this card says that it's kind of a life cycle, and you have felt good in your relationship, you have felt bad in your relationship, and the card says that you just have to accept it as a part of a relationship. You don't have to take extreme decisions for that, okay? Because this card says that it's just a part of life cycle, and be patient and trust and love. So you need to have patience. In order that you want this relationship to improve, you will need to have some patience, okay? So yes, so this is the reading that is coming for you, and let me know how did you like this reading. If you have liked this reading, hit the like button and let me know in the comments how did you like this reading, okay? Okay, so just in case if you had chosen this option, then let's see the love reading for you. Where are you going from here? Okay, where are you guys going from here? So this is the card about this is the Sun, and this is the Page of Cups. So from this card, I do feel that your relationship is heading towards a very positive outcome. Not exactly outcome is where something is coming to an end and that is the result, but this is not, it's not coming to an end. You are going to continue this relationship just because it's going to get all the more positive, okay? Plus there might be your partner might actually propose to you, okay? Your partner might propose you for getting committed or moving in or getting into a relationship, okay? So yes, so that is one thing. The next part, this card says, see, there might be certain uncertainties in your relationship, and you have to make sure that those uncertainties, you just hold on to your relationship. The person that you have in your relationship, defend what you believe in, okay? No matter whatever uncertainty comes up, yes, there is going to be some uncertainty coming into your life. Maybe that uncertainty is coming into your relationship, but you just have to make sure that you hold on to the person, you hold on to the relationship, because you know that it is worth it, okay? The next part is, okay, now let's see these options. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit spirit of fun to shine, okay? So both of you need to get into playfulness. See, I do see that there is some serious thing, okay? Now I know that this is on a positive note, this is serious, where your partner might propose or you both might decide to commit and get married or get deeper into the commitment, no matter whatever that is. But still the cards say that it is important that you maintain the playfulness in your relationship, okay? Also there is uncertainty, so let me tell you what this uncertainty means. It can mean that things are not clear, things are not you may want to commit, but yeah, you may not be able to even to commit, and yeah, there might be certain uncertainty into that. The next part is past life relationship, okay? So I do feel you have known each other before, yeah, so both of you have known each other before, because the bond that you feel together, the way your energy gels with each other, you may be very, very certain that this person is somebody that you have known them before. You know their soul, because this kind of deep relationship, it doesn't happen in just one birth, and you are aware that you have known this person even in your past births, okay? It is safe for you to love, okay? Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. So you need to make sure that you open your heart and just receive the highest energy. Just allow yourself to love. It is safe for you to love, okay? Even if it is this person, and though it is like a past life relationship, usually the relationship that you bring from your past life, somehow it can be like a karmic sort of thing, and people usually don't enjoy karmic relationship, but I don't see anything like a karmic relationship here, okay? It can be like a very normal relationship, and things can be like really good. You might be very, very positive, both of you guys, okay? So it does say that this card does say it is safe for you to love. And okay, so now I do feel that there are certain things, money and property, or money, not exactly property, but the place where you live in, that might be the question. It might be a question of that, what I said, that's going to be uncertainty about something. The place where you might want to live, maybe after commitment or after getting married, things are not getting sorted. For that, money is not getting sorted, or the place that you had looked forward to, that place might have gone, which is why you feel very very hurt. This part it says, okay, this part it says that you need to have faith, even though there is uncertainty, even though there is this kind of uncertainty with money also. Still you need to have faith in the universe, in the energies, because this is what the universe made you for. They made both of you come together and get into a love relationship. So you need to have faith that if the relationship is meant to be, and if both of you have equal feelings for each other, somehow things will work out, and somehow the money thing will also work out. You need to have that faith. The next part is reflections. Life tends to mirror back to us our internal experiences through the subtle signals we send out. If you want to change your world, first change your mind. So somehow either of you two, okay, one person out of you two, or maybe both of you are going through this uncertainty, because somewhere it shows that it is in your mind. Your mind has this blockage which does not allow you to think in a broader sense of perspective, which is why this card says that in order to bring something into your world, you need to first change your mind, which actually makes sense, because I think money is your issue and there is uncertainty in your life. Maybe because of money you may not be able to commit, you may not be able to take your relationship ahead, just because you don't have enough money, or a good place to survive in. So for that, I feel that you need to work on your mind, okay? You need to work on your subconscious mind, because there might be certain blockages in your subconscious mind that is causing all this. You've got time and eternal now, in fact, okay? But while there is no need to rush, you've got enough reason to be busy, because the choices you make now make your next now even better, okay? So see, the card is saying that whatever choices you will make in the present moment, I know while you're watching this video, there might be certain things that might get into your mind. You might already be thinking or planning about something, and try to make your plans in a very very positive manner, because whatever you plan now is going to make your future now even better, okay? That is what the card says. And yeah, so this is the reading for you. I hope that you like this reading. If you have liked this reading, let me know in the comments. And yeah, so now let's go ahead with the next option. So just in case if you have chosen this option, then let's go ahead and see what the cards are going to say, okay? So the first thing the card says, yeah, this is about where your relationship is heading to, okay? So for that, I feel the first thing you can see, there is a change in your relationship. Maybe unwanted change, a change that you don't want to make happen. And that change might be that you guys are on the verge of breakup. I actually don't like saying this in a relationship reading, because I always feel that everybody is so much into their relationship that they just don't want to hear this. But whatever it is, this is just coming in the cards, so I have to say it, that your relationship is on the verge of breaking. And you are on this verge that both of you actually just exchange the gifts that you gave to each other. You just give it back to each other, so that your things are balanced. The next part is, there is something new that is beginning, okay? There is something new that is beginning for one of you, one of the person. There is a new beginning for them, and maybe about a dream life. Now I know we are having a relationship, a love reading relationship, and where you guys are heading to. And in this, I am telling you that you guys are going to break up, and one of the person is getting the life of their dreams. I know somehow it may actually suck. You may want to hear this, that your partner is going to have the life of your dreams with you, but somehow cards are not pointing out towards that. It's pointing out otherwise. So this is what the cards say. The next part is, okay, so there is a important woman involved in this reading, okay, your relationship, there is one important woman who is going to because of whom things are turning other ways, okay. And maybe she might be somebody who is like very stern person, and who is very strict person, who doesn't believe in love and romance, who just believes in logic and rationalization. And so this woman is somebody, you can see financial issues are a factor in your love life. So this might be the woman who is not happy with the finances, maybe with the finances that either of you have, or maybe the woman in the relationship is not happy with the financial thing and the career thing, which is why the woman is taking a turn. It can be the woman in the relationship is taking a turn, or either of the partner who is breaking up, a woman on their side. It can be the mother, it can be somebody who influences that person on a huge extent, okay. It can be you also, and if it in this case, if it is you, then this is the woman that is influencing you. It can be your mother, it can be your aunt, it can be some elderly person. Okay, the next part is this, okay. This is about engagement. I do feel that the one person who is breaking off, that person may be about to getting engaged to somebody, okay, somebody else. And just because we have this as a romantic relationship love reading, I also want to stick to the fact that the change in the relationship can be where both of you are getting engaged, okay, but you know what is happening on your end, and you know what is about to happen, okay. If there is a breakup that's going on, then you very well know what this reading means, okay. I have to try to make sure that I cover up all the points. So your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment, okay. So this is also a possibility that your love life can ascend to the level of commitment, okay. The next part is addictions are affecting your romantic life. So okay, so as I said, that this woman is not happy about the relationship. Who is not happy about your relationship with this person? This can be somebody who is aware that you may be addicted to something, or your partner may be addicted to something, and in order to remove themselves from that addiction, they feel what they are doing is right, okay. Or maybe that you are addicted to something, and this person feels that it's better to get their person off from you. So that is showing big time, I know that. And I do feel, see, engagement and marriage, it's like coming really soon for this person, and it can be like a very grand wedding. So I do see, from all of these cards, I feel that one of the person who is from a very, very rich family, that person might want to break off and go on a different path, because money is an issue. Also addiction, maybe addiction to money, addictions are affecting your romantic life. Somebody is addicted to having a very good and a very posh lifestyle, which is why they are taking off their name from this relationship, okay. So it very, very clearly shows there is going to be a wedding or engagement that's going to happen soon. Even this card is saying that, and this card says that there is going to be like a very huge amount of money that might be spent in that wedding, okay. So this person is like planning like a big fat wedding or a big fat engagement. Trust your instincts. Just as natural gravity draws all rivers down to the sea, so you can trust your instincts to lead to your goal. Just follow your own flow, okay. So somehow you need to follow your instincts. And if, see, I told you like two different scenarios, that either you are going to have a breakup, or your relationship is going to go to a different and a positive level, okay, then where you are actually going to commit or get engaged and get married, okay. So maybe that can be the case, and trust your instincts in this. Whatever your intuition is telling you, try to trust your intuition on that, okay. And the next part is this, okay. So this card says blessings. Remember, a rainbow is just white light unpacked. Even when life seems dark, it is still full of blessings waiting to be uncovered. Somehow this card does shout out loud that yeah, you may actually be going through a breakup soon, or you might have already broken up with your partner and you're just on the verge of winding up things. So this says that even if its life seems dark, it is still full of blessings. So even if you are going through this rough patch, you have to stay assured that your life is going to get better from here. Counting them will bring back the rainbows to your day. Okay, so somehow you need to stay positive, you need to affirm to yourself that life is going to get better from here. Okay, I know that the other person is not going to get affected because they are already on the way to celebrating a huge wedding. So maybe it might be a message for you or for somebody in the relationship, somebody in the relationship who is just going to feel left out. I don't know whether you are doing it or your partner is doing it. Okay, so whatever the case is, yeah, this is the reading. And okay, hold on, yeah, okay, that's just one card. I thought there are two cards hidden in this. So anyways, so this is the reading that I hope that you like it, and if you have liked this video, let me know in the comments. And yeah, hit the like button. And yeah, now let's go ahead and watch the next option. Okay, so just in case if you have selected this option, then let's see what the cards want to say here. Okay, so where are you going to go from here in your relationship? Okay, so somehow, yeah, I do feel, see, your relationship is going to enter a very positive phase. Now this positive phase is where you might actually go ahead and have some kind of commitment, or maybe you might actually even go ahead and give birth to a child. You might be conceiving soon, which the cards are saying. The second part is, there was some part in your relationship, somehow there is something in your relationship that is uncertain. And yeah, about the things that are uncertain, you usually cannot say anything. But yes, this card also says that just follow your intuition. Whatever your intuition is telling you, just believe in that. And yes, this card definitely shows some good family life, nice and happy, relaxed lifestyle with your partner. This does show that you guys are going to have a very nice and warm relationship where you guys are going to go from here. And as I said, that you might be conceiving soon, or you might be getting married soon. You may actually throw a party, maybe for your anniversary. I don't know whether you are committed or married, but whatever it is, your relationship is going to the next level. This thing shows that either you or your partner, yeah, you may be actually getting very uneasy, very unstable mentally. Okay, not exactly mentally where you are just going insane, not that way. But yes, you or your partner have a couple of ideas running on in their mind, and maybe you are just not able to decide what direction to take or what thing to do next. Okay, the next part over here, it shows release your ex. The time has come to clear your energy. So yeah, either you or your partner, if you or your partner are somehow connected with your ex, if you are connected with your ex, or you somehow hold some kind of resentment. It can be resentment, it can be regret, it can be something some other feeling regarding your ex. So if it is for you, you need to release your ex. If it is for your partner also has to release their ex. And you deserve love. Okay, you are lovable. So this very much makes me feel that your partner, you may not be in a relationship, but maybe you are soon going to enter into a relationship. And somehow I feel that you're not exactly, see, from both of these cards, it shows that it shows that you are still holding on to the past. You already have somebody to count on to, but you are actually not getting into that person just because you are feeling guilty about your past relationship. The card actually reminds you that you deserve love, you are lovable. Okay, so angels also say that you are lovable, so you have no other choice than accepting it. You don't have to back out from where you are. Okay, I also see that there is a lot of conflict. This can either be running inside you, or this can be a conflict that you are having with people or with the partner that is potentially a good partner for you. Okay, so yes, so this person can be a good partner for you, but you are constantly fighting with them. You are constantly arguing with them, maybe shooing them away. You might not want that you guys have a good relationship. You might just want to drive them away from you. The next part is this relationship. See, I somehow feel that this relationship, yeah, if you are about to conceive, then also this relationship is going on a very positive note. You guys might also move in or get married, or yeah, somehow you guys may get together and really well, which this card shows. You just need to let go your ex. You need to let go your past and allow yourself to embrace what the present universe is giving you. Okay, the power of intent. Our ancestors understood the power of intent and imagination. So paint the future the way you want it, beginning with your thoughts. Okay, so somehow this card says that, I do feel that release your ex card and you deserve love, both of these cards, they do say that you need to do some inner work with yourself, and that inner work will work really well when you try to use the power of intent. Okay, our ancestors understood the power of intent and imagination. Paint the future the way you want it, beginning with your thoughts. Okay, so you can either make a goal chart, you can paint the future. If you can actually do it, you can actually paint your goals, especially about your relationship and also about yourself, because when a relationship, it begins with yourself. If you are happy with yourself, you'll be fine in your relationship. Okay, dream intently. Change your settings to daydream mode. Okay, it's fun and practical too. This is how we discover our desires and shape the future that we want. So yeah, see, change your settings to daydream mode. It's fun and practical. This is how we discover. Somehow this shows that you need to visualize. Visualization, goal chart. Somehow that is going to help you. Imagining that you are very happily ever after living with your life partner or with the present partner to whom you are committed to. That actually is going to help you to make your desires come true. Okay, your dreams about having like a committed relationship with your partner, it's actually going to make that dream come true. And the power of intent. Okay, so power of intent, and see, both the cards are about intent. Okay, this is the power of intent and this is dream intently. Okay, which shows that you need to start dreaming. Okay, now how can you dream? You can just close your eyes and start imagining things that you want to make happen in your life. Okay, so yes, so this is the reading for you, and I hope that you like it. And yeah, so if you have liked this video, hit the like button. If you feel that this video can help somebody, do share this video with that person. I will see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.